In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and replace in Apple Notes. To begin, open the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad. This app is usually found on your home screen and is represented by a yellow notepad icon. Once you locate the app, tap on it to open. After the app launches, navigate to the note you want to edit. This note can be one you've created previously or a new note you want to modify. Selecting the right note is crucial as it sets the stage for your find and replace action. By having the correct note open, you ensure that any changes made will directly affect the content you are viewing. Once you have your desired note open, look for the More button, which appears as three dots arranged vertically in the upper right corner of the screen. Tapping on this button will reveal additional options for managing your note. This step is important because it gives you access to features that might not be visible at first glance. After tapping the More button, a menu will appear, displaying several options you can choose from. It's a convenient way to enhance your editing capabilities within the Notes app. From this menu, you will want to tap on the option labeled Find in Note. This action will open a search bar at the top of your screen. Entering the word or phrase you want to find in this bar is the next step. Make sure to type it accurately, as this will determine what content the app searches for in your note. This feature is particularly useful for quickly locating specific information in lengthy notes. Once you've entered your search term, you should see the instances where that word or phrase appears highlighted in your text. This visual cue helps you quickly identify where changes may be necessary. Now that you have your search results, tap the magnifying glass icon located in the search bar. After doing so, select the option that reads Find and Replace. This action opens the Find and Replace interface, where you can make your edits more efficiently. The Find and Replace feature is a powerful tool that streamlines the process of updating content. It saves you time by allowing you to change multiple instances of a term without needing to search for each one individually. After you tap Find and Replace, you will see another text field appear for entering replacement text. This is where you will type the new word or phrase you want to use instead of the original one. Entering this replacement text is essential as it determines what will replace the highlighted terms in your note. Make sure the new text is accurate and conveys the same meaning or fits the context of your note. This step is crucial because it ensures that your content remains clear and coherent after the changes are made. Finally, you will have the option to tap Replace to change one match at a time or Replace All to update every match in the note simultaneously. Choosing Replace will allow you to review each instance individually, while Replace All will make bulk changes quickly. This flexibility ensures you can edit your notes in a way that best suits your needs. Once you make your selection, you'll see a confirmation that indicates the changes have been successfully made. Remember, the Find and Replace feature is available in newer versions of iOS. If you don't see this option, it may be necessary to update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. This little step can save you a lot of time and effort in the long run, ensuring you have access to the latest tools for note-taking and editing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for editing your notes in Apple Notes.